In a world of modern warfare, the most advanced artilleries, aircraft, and weapon systems are often associated with global powers like the United States, Russia, and China. These powerful nations dominate the stage with creations such as the three versions of the F-35 fighter jet, the stealthy F-22 Raptor, the colossal Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, Russia's T-90 tanks, and the USS Independence. When the discussion turns to Africa, the question often arises: can the continent boast of producing military hardware on the same level of sophistication? Surprisingly, the answer is yes. Africa has its own innovation that may not always dominate headlines but stands as an impressive feat of engineering and resilience. Let's take a closer look at some of the most powerful and remarkable weapons designed and manufactured on the African soil. Coming up on the list is Nigeria's Proforce RR2. Nigeria also entered the spotlight with the Proforce RR2, an indigenously developed mine-resistant and ambush-protected vehicle (MRAP), built by Proforce Defense Limited. The RR2 boasts double skin protection with level 3A and 3B armor, along with an underbelly design shaped with a V-hull to deflect blasts of up to 100 kilograms of explosives. At 15 tons, with 142 mm of ground clearance and a central tire inflation system, this beast is built for rough terrains. A 12.7mm heavy machine gun can be mounted on a rotating roof turret, either open or fully enclosed, flexible and modular. The RR2 can be adapted into different variants for multiple missions and is currently in service with both the Nigerian Army and the Republic of Chad. Not to be left behind in the air, Africa has its own light attack aircraft, the Mwari, a collaborative product of Paramount Group and Aerosol. This two-seat aircraft is specifically designed for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as well as precision strike. The Mwari can carry guided bomb units, air-to-surface missiles, and even APKWS systems. Its modular open architecture means it can quickly adapt to new technologies. Equipped with an advanced targeting pod, the Mwari excels in extended airborne missions, making it versatile and a modern African-built plane. With 9 orders already placed, it is currently the only successful fixed-wing aircraft fully developed on the African soil, developed and manufactured in South Africa. Next on the list is the Rooivalk attack helicopter made in South Africa. The Rooivalk AH-2 is a dedicated twin-engine attack helicopter built around a combat-oriented airframe with a nose-mounted 20mm cannon and multiple weapon stations for anti-armor missiles, short-range air-to-air missiles, unguarded rocket pods, and precision strike munitions. This attack helicopter is fitted with twin turboshaft engines, a rotor system optimized for agility and survivability, and integrated targeting and electro-optical systems that permit day and night target acquisition and engagement. The airframe and onboard system emphasize battlefield survivability, maneuverability for escort and strike tasks, and the ability to operate from austere forward bases. Only a small production run was completed, but units remained in service for specialized attack and escort roles. The Rooivalk helicopter was developed because during the 1980s and early 90s, South Africa faced urgent battlefield needs. While under an arms embargo and restricted import of attack helicopters, domestic development answered an operational requirement for a local gunship able to escort forces, perform anti-tank strikes, and operate a contested regional environment. Building Rooivalk domestically preserved aviation engineering skills, reduced dependence on hostile foreign suppliers, and produced an exportable capability for South Africa. Next on the list is South Africa's Olifant Mk II main battle tank. South Africa modernized and upgraded the Olifant main battle tank to preserve an indigenous heavy armored capability after decades of regional conflict and arms embargo constraints. The Olifant program kept domestic industrial capability in armored vehicle design, maintenance and upgrades, allowing the South African Defence Force to field a locally supported main battle tank tailored to regional terrain and logistic realities. Producing and upgrading the Olifant Mk II main battle tank also reduced reliance on foreign supply chains for crucial land systems and preserved jobs and skills in Dliest defense industries base in South Africa. This battle tank is designed for conventional armored warfare and sustained operations. It mounts a fully stabilized 105mm rifled gun able to fire standard NATO 105mm munitions and is supported by a fire control systems and target detection and engagement electronics that allows the crew to acquire and engage moving targets while on the move. Secondary weapons include coaxial and roof-mounted 7.62mm machine guns and smoke grenade launchers for concealment. This tank stands out as one of the most powerful manufactured armored tanks in Africa. Next on the list is the M1A1 Abrams, co-produced in Egypt. Beginning in the early 1990s, Egypt negotiated a US-Egypt co-production arrangement to assemble and eventually manufacture key components domestically of this machine. The drivers were strategic: to field a modern MBT as the backbone of the Egyptian army, to localize production for logistical independence and sustainment, and to develop national defense industrial capacity. This was to reduce dependence on imported finished vehicles, shorten maintenance and repair cycles, and provide skills and job creation benefit within Egypt's defense sector. The M1A1 variant of the Abrams family is a heavy main battle tank with a M256 120mm smoothbore main gun, advanced armor, sophisticated fire control, thermal imaging and laser range finding for high first round hit probability, and powerful turbine propulsion, providing high speed and rapid acceleration for a heavy platform. Secondary armament include coaxial 7.62mm weapons and a roof-mounted 50 cal machine gun. The tank suit is optimized for combined arms warfare and high survivability on modern battlefields. On the list is the Marauder Mk II made in South Africa. The Marauder Mk II is a mine-protected wheeled armored vehicle available in several variants. It carries 2 crews in front and up to 8 troops in the rear, with modular payloads and weapon stations options. The vehicle's design focuses on blast protection. Certified capacities include protection against specified TNT charges, such as up to 8 kg under the hull and up to 40 kg under the wheel in testing, with energy absorbing seat and double skin hull construction to mitigate blast effect on occupants. Mobility features include multi-terrain drivetrain, turbo diesel engine, and configurable axles to suit payloads and mission endurance. The Marauder is widely operated and marketed for both national forces and international customers. The developer, Paramount, developed the Marauder to meet a growing international market for cost-effective, highly survivable wheeled armored vehicles suitable for peacekeeping, counterinsurgency, and force protection missions. For South Africa, producing vehicles like the Marauder leveraged an established defense industrial base, provided an export product, and responded to continental demand for robust MRAPs that combine crew protection with operational flexibility. Next on the list is South African-made Sentinel, an offshore patrol vessel. The Sentinel, often described as a 35 or 36 meters offshore patrol platform, is an aluminum-hulled V-bottom craft designed for maritime security, patrol, and coastal interdiction. It features accommodations for crew and security team, with ranges exceeding 1,000 nautical miles, suited for EEZ patrol, anti-smuggling, and coastal protection. Its modular design supports fitted sensors and communication suite for maritime domain awareness. South Africa shipbuilders produce vessels like the Sentinel to meet regional maritime security gaps, illegal fishing, smuggling, piracy, and the need to patrol extended exclusive economic zones. And indigenous patrol craft support national sovereignty, provides a platform for local crews and security teams, and create exportable maritime solutions for other African littoral states. Finally on our list is the NNS Oji. This is the third and the latest iteration of the seaworld defense boat class of vessels built by the Nigerian Navy by its engineers at the Naval Dockyard in Victoria Island, Lagos. The vessel was commissioned by the past president of Nigeria. The Nigerian Navy over the decade has developed expertise and embarked on design, building of ships and craft. Most of the boat structure are built with steel generated at Naval Dockyard Limited, a commercial entity of the Nigerian Navy. The vessel's modern architecture allows for improved seakeeping qualities, faster mission addiction, and longer time at sea. NNS Oji is armed with a 30mm remotely operated naval gun, 3 12.7mm machine guns, and an additional 40mm grenade launcher, which is optional. In the end, the unveiling of these powerful indigenous machines is more than a military achievement. It is a testament of intent. Each weapon, born out of necessity and the struggles of its producing nation, carries with it a story of resilience, ambition, and survival in an unforgiving world. Drop your honest comment, tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.